I'm Matt Heisner with Nedap, and I'm here to demonstrate our new installation of our SmartFlow milk meter. Our SmartFlow milk meter is a revolutionary design that incorporates wireless technology along with the Nedap technology for cow management and ID. The free flow design of our milk meter is revolutionary that we are using a consistent vacuum to harvest milk from our animal with no restrictions in the milk line. Our 3/4 inch inlet and outlet provide high volume flows even for your heaviest milking cows. When we look at our SmartFlow, it really comes in a couple parts. It comes into the measurement chamber, which is where the milk is collected and goes down free flow through the measuring chamber. We have the cleaning valve here that only operates during wash. We have our 3/4 inch milk inlet and outlet. One of the unique things that we have is because we are bringing 3/4 inch milk in, we have a spreader plate on top that ensures that we're not foaming the milk, and we have a consistent flow of milk through the meter to measure correctly. We communicate wirelessly, so there's no need to run excess wires, conduits, or spend the time installing the wires, so we make quick retrofits very easy. With no mechanically moving parts in this milk meter, service and troubleshooting are very easy. One of the other features that we have in our meter is the addition of a cleaning valve on the SmartFlow. This cleaning valve allows for increased turbidity through the meter to ensure that we are cleaning properly. One of the things that we love about this product is because we are wireless, installation is so easy and we are able to incorporate it into existing facilities as well as new facilities. Our float that we use to measure milk builds on the technology that Nedap uses for our cow control and our smart tags.
One of the best parts about it is, because it's Nedap, it's technology for the future.